like that
Fudge topping.
Yeah, that's good.
Whipped cream.
Yeah, the first time I saw that was on the Duggars.
That's when I saw it too.
Yeah.
How big of a piece you want?
Well, they're
Out
gonna
there?
make us a
Got good
Mason
Mason.
food. Oh, I didn't know these weren't glass. These are nice glass.
What, the blue wine glasses? We bought those because of Gervin.
Why?
Because he breaks all of our
He's
glasses.
dangerous.
Thanks, Lauren.
Yeah.
It chills.
All right, Laura, I'll wash this bone out and save it for you and Lady.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the bag.
Here's the wishbone.
My mom and Lainey usually do it, so they're going to save it.
Thank you.
Do you want a piece?
Oh, this was mine.
Oh. You just need a plate.
Here, I'll get you a plate.
So, Cheryl, how was dinner over there?
It's good.
Yeah. Who was all there?
He got a spoon.
Just Jody and Terry and the girls, and then Tracy and Brian,
yours.
Mom and Dad.
That's good.
I'm just going to see this whole chunk.
Mason will probably sleep good tonight.
What does Dad want, Lorraine?
He wants just to take home a pie.
Oh, that's all? Okay.
Yeah, he said he didn't want anything else.
We'll put whipped cream on top of it
Yeah.
for him, too.
Yeah, you didn't get anything.
Mike's being brave. He's babysitting Mason and Jacob on Monday by himself.
Monday.
Mm-hmm.
All day.
For a while.
What were you saying about a while to baby and Mason?
Michael's babysitting Jake and Mason on Monday by himself. Yeah,
That's
Dada.
good.
Hey, Michael, come look at
Hi,
your son.
Mikey. Who's that? Who is that?
That's Grandpa.
What you got?
Quinlan.
Give me a bite.
So
What?
easy to make.
It's
You
really
say
good.
no.
It makes a mess, though.
You say
I
no.
bet.
Hey, give me a bite. Loving that stuff, huh? Good stuff.
Aw, God, can you give you a bite?
And then he smiled.
He shared.
He didn't want to share with Laura. Yeah, he wanted to share with me.
Ah,
He's got wine on
Where's
his
the cake?
sleeve. And
Oh, you want some of that, Bubby? Oh no, we're probably in the fridge.
it's in the